Juzu Bekunore, Adam Hadibajong, Thandapani, Post Office Bolongpher, Dist.Karbi Anglong, Assam. Jidu Fulsen Chakma Arot Haloge 57 Jon, Thara Agonde Jagani Madi patta Hebate, Thara Honorable Guwahati High Court do a can case file Guchundo, Shroddio Prevalbande guidance. Sianorichi Mine, Adrotharik September 2020 second hearing anot he huye ezo se sale.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, what is this?
Yes, Lordship. The petitioners are scheduled tribe forest dwellers belonging to Chakma community residing in the Barlongpher District Council Reserve Forest in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District, Lordship. Now, Lordship, there is a detailed procedure laid down under the scheduled tribe under the Act of 2006 for vesting of rights, forest rights on them under Section 3. Now, and the procedure is laid down under Section 6 and read with the rules of 2012. Now, Lordship, initially when we made representation application our claims, then they told that district council district committee was not established or not constituted at that point of time. Later on, from our latest RTI reply, we received information that the district level committee has been established. Page 53, Lordship.
Where is your application?
Our application, Lordship, Lordship will find the receipt of our application from page 52. Page 52. 1, 4 and 1, 6. 1, 4 is first application. This is RTI reply. RTI reply with we submitted RTI application seeking status of our application. So they told that in respect of 1, 4 Thandapani, they received the RTI application, our application on 18/12/20, and on Mohangao, that is 1, 6 on 2/3/2021. So petitioners belong to these two villages of Barlongpher District Council Reserve Forest. So now Lordship will kindly come to page 53. What they have told, Lordship, page para 4. Para 3 and 4 I am reading, Lordship. At that time of constitution of district level committee under scheduled tribe and other traditional forest dwellers, recognition of forest rules 2007 in accordance with government instruction was not held due to nomination of council officers being land revenue matters, one of the inherent transferred subjects. So letter was issued to the principal secretary KAAC requesting to nominate at least 3 members to constitute the committee by the office letter number so and so. During exercise of RTI application dated so and so, another letter was sent. The principal secretary KAC requesting to nominate for formation of the district level committee. Accordingly, on receipt of names of nominated members, committee has been formed.
Now, what do you want, Mr. Counsel?
I simply pray that Lordship, since the entire procedure is laid down, we may be subjected to that procedure. Our claims may be considered by the district level committee and we may be subjected to the procedure. And Your Lordship.
Now, how is the procedure? How don't you have to file your application?
Application to the Lordship will kindly have a look at para section 6. Otherwise, Lordship had passed one order on 11th September.
That is that order is not going to help you.
Yes, Lordship.
Because that order is in respect of Hailakandi district. Hailakandi district, Chakma is not a scheduled tribe there. But you are from Karbi Anglong, and Chakma is a scheduled tribe in the Karbi Anglong district.
We are better placed, Lordship.
Then why you are referring to that? This goes against you.
Yes, but section 6, Lordship. Section 6, Lordship. I am reading. Section 6, subclause 1. The Gram Sabha shall be the authority to initiate the process for determining the nature and extent of individual or community forest rights, or both, that may be given to the forest dwelling scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dwellers within the local limits of its jurisdiction under this act by receiving claims, consolidating and verifying them, and preparing a map delineating the areas of each recommended claim in such manner as may be prescribed for exercise of such rights, and the Gram Sabha shall then pass a resolution to that effect and thereafter forward a copy of the same to subdivisional level committee. Then subsection 3, Lordship. The state government shall constitute a
Wait. Has the Gram Sabha called for the claims?
Lordship, as per my instruction, there was no Gram Sabha, there was no subdivisional level committee, there was no district level committee. But now, since RTA, through RTA reply, we have received information that district level committee has been constituted.
No, that is different. We'll go into the district level committee. Don't you think that Rule 11 of these rules of 2007 is applicable?
Yes. Now, Lordship, the amended rules have come, Lordship, rules of 2012. These amended rules have come. So, in the amended rules, the detailed procedure is laid down under Rule 12 and 12A. Rule 12 and 12A. Process of verifying claims.
No, 12A will come later on.
Yes.
First, there has to be, you see, when will the Forest Rights Committee exercise? Like, the Forest Rights will exercise when they get the intimation. You see, 12 says the Forest Rights Committee shall, after due intimation to the concerned claimant and Forest Department, isn't it? Section 12,
Yes, yes.
Rule 12.
Yes.
Now, prior to that, how will the Forest Right Committee come to know? The Forest Right Committee will come to know when a process is initiated by the Gram Sabha in the 11.
Yes.
C11. The Gram Sabha shall call for claims and authorize the forester to accept the claims in the forms as provided in Annexure 1 of these rules.
Yes.
Now, have they done that?
Lordship,
Have you filled up these type of forms, Annexure 1?
as per my instruction, there is no Gram Sabha itself, Lordship. So they have submitted representation to various.
No Gram Sabha?
Well, copy has not yet been served to us, my lord, the copy of the petition. My lord, regarding my lord, that some other cases regarding that Sakpa community in the P.O.Barlongpher area of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they claim rights over the forest land. Whether they are the indigenous citizen, or first point is the whether they are the citizen of India or not. The car rule that is not applicable in the 6 schedule area.
Huh?
And Citizenship Amendment Act rule, my lord, that has not been made applicable to the 6 schedule area. My lord, so regarding their citizenship, there is a discussion in the in the highest level, my lord. Whether their citizenship, first they have to assert their citizenship, my lord. Then they can only right to the land and right to the, my lord, forest right. First, they have to assert that they have the right over the land. They are residing in that in those particular area, forest area. That is a district council reserve forest area. They are residing before, my lord, before formation of the district council reserve area. Then only come the rights of the forest. Let them serve the copy of the petition to me, my lord, to us, my lord, so that I can get the instruction, my lord. In other cases,
We had served them copy, but I will have extra copy.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has not been served the copy. Standing Council has not been reflected in the cause list, my lord. That type of statement should not be made without furnishing copy.
And Lordship, there is another similar matter, Lordship, repetition 6426. In that matter, Lordship, notice was issued in 2023 itself, early part of 23. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has been repeatedly seeking time. They have not filed reply, Lordship. That matter, Lordship, was last fixed on 7/8/24, the 6426. So this matter may come along with that repetition.
Absolutely no. We'll look into it then. First of all, the main question arises as to whether there is a Gram Sabha.
There is no Gram Sabha.
If there is no Gram Sabha, how can anybody call for the claims?
Lordship, they
You see, in the earlier matter which I have dealt with, then that the order,
Yes,
the judgment which has been given on 11/9, that
Yes,
judgment,
Yes,
that where these people had filed application in terms with Annexure 1
yes,
of these rules.
yes.
Now, you having not filed, can the process, this court direct any process to be issued?
Lordship, if there is, only when there is a Gram Sabha, they can make some application. Otherwise, as per Annexure 11, page 73, they have clearly stated they have made representation to all.
What is this representation witness? You are, when the rules say that you have to apply in a particular manner, you have to apply in that manner. You cannot go for filing representations
But there is no
because everybody will have a different right.
But there is no Gram Sabha, Lordship. So Gram Sabha has to be constituted, Lordship. Gram Sabha is a statutory body under the Act, Lord.
And why are you paying only 60 rupees for fee?
Lordship, they have come through legal aid, Lordship. They have come through legal aid, so they have got this exemption. They have come through legal aid.
So legal aid it is free. Then why you are paying 60 rupees at all?
The registry has permitted lordship. They are
You show call the registry for that. How is this possible? Because everybody has a separate right. Then we issue notice making it returnable on 4th of November 2024. Mr. I. Botakur appears on behalf of the respondent number 1, 5, and 6. No, 5, no? 6 you don't.
3 and 6 are.
Mr. Ms. D. Hazarika appears on behalf of the respondent number 2, Mr. J. Sutia, the learned standing counsel of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, appears on behalf of the respondent number 3
And 6.
and 6. As all the respondents are duly represented, extra copies of the petition be served upon them by 29/2024. The case of the petitioners herein is that the petitioners belong to the Chakma tribe, which is a scheduled tribe within the meaning of the Constitution Scheduled Tribe Orders 1950. It is the further case of the petitioners that the petitioners are entitled to recognition of their forest rights in terms with the scheduled tribe and other traditional forest dwellers recognition of forest rights (close) Act 2006. It is the further case of the petitioners that the respondent authorities, in spite of representation being submitted by the petitioner, have not acted in terms with the said act as well as the rules framed therein under. It is under such circumstances the petitioners have approached this court. The respondents are directed to bring on record their stand by filing their affidavit on or before the next date.